Hey everyone, welcome to Bhagalpuri textile. So you can see here, this is the pure organza silk sari. You can see here, and here is the pure tassar by tassar sari. You can see the quality of the tassar, which is very lightweight and good quality. Okay, so here you can see we have the soft silk sari too. As you can see, we have huge stock of this soft silk sari. Okay, so you can see here these are the soft silk sari, and I'll show you some more sari. You can see here, and in this sari there is a little patch, so this is like removing the patch. Okay, and you can see here it's cleared now. And look at the new sari, see the zari, it's copper colored zari. You can see here reddish copper we call, and after this like these will go to dyeing, and after dyeing and finishing, then it's packed and shipped to the customer. Okay, so if you have any shop and boutique showroom whatever, and also if you are trader, then you can contact us from the number in the description and in the comment. We are the manufacturer from Bhagalpur. Okay, so if you want your own customized design, then we also manufacture that. Okay, so here you can see we are removing dark spot from the tassar sari. Okay, this is pure tassar munga, and here this is the tassar sari. Wait, let me show you. This is tassar munga sari. Okay, and I'll show you that organza linen sari also. Okay, wait, you can see here these are the organza linen sari which is in dobi work. You can see the little butas over there, and here is the one of the most demanding organza sari. Okay, which we call fetch note sari. And here you can see the beautiful tassar sari which has this beautiful 3-inch zari in the border. Okay, you see the texture of the fabric. Let me show you. See the texture, it's awesome and good quality of tassar. Okay, and heavy quality. Okay, so if you want this sari, then you can also take a screenshot and WhatsApp us. And here's the tassar munga sari. You can see the difference between tassar and tassar munga. This is little darker in shade, and here's the tassar munga sari. You can see the Rafu man is fixing this sari. Okay, and this is the koda color we call, and here is the tassar sari. You can see the difference between both tassar and tassar munga. Okay, and I'll show you the tassar sari. Okay, wait, see here, this is the tassar, and this is called rafu. Okay, like little thread come from the fabric, and this is filling, this thread is filling in the sari. Okay, you can see the thread, how much time it takes to fill the single line. It's too much time consuming, that's why tassar is little costlier. Okay, and see, this is the process of checking sari here. This sari is 6 and 3-inch zari. Okay, and here is lots of soft silk sari too. See, this is the soft silk sari, and we have the huge quantity of soft silk sari. You can see these are the stock. Okay, and after this stock, these will go to the customer like dyeing process, finishing product, and many more. And after that, this will go to the shop, showroom, whatever area. Okay, so here you can see this is the sari of, this is the process of checking the sari, and this is the last sari which is in tassar munga. Here you can see here, and after giving, before giving in dyeing, we just check the sari, like if there is any damages and any missed possibilities has done in sari. You can see we are just checking like this. This is the process of checking sari. Okay, and here everything is checked manually. Okay, you can see the person is pulling the thread from the sari, so it's look perfect. Okay, so this is the process of checking the sari. You can see here, I'm just showing. Look now, you can see here how they are pulling the fabric. You see here, and this is the first sari, and I'll show you the soft silk sari too. You can see here these are the design in soft silk. You can see these are ready stock soft silk sari, and we are just packing all this sari. You can see here, and these are ready to ship stock. Okay, so if you want this sari, then please contact us, and for more information also you can contact us. Number is in the screen and in the in WhatsApp you can also contact. Okay, so see here, these are the soft silk here. And also if you have any other design and pattern, you can order from there too. Okay, so these are the Kora sari. Like if you have any other customized color option, like if you have any own color, like if you want any other color, then we can do the same color in the sari. So you can see here, this is the Kora color in Tassar. Okay, after cutting the fabric or sari, we just give this sari in dyeing, and then it will go to dyeing and finishing. This is the process of cutting sarees and giving in dyeing. Let me show you. See, okay, so this is the process. So these are the sari here. So if you like this video, then please subscribe and follow our page. You can see here, no sari is sari is completed here. You can see there is no defect in sari, and all defectives has gone. Okay, so if you want to order from us, then please contact us. Okay, so let me show you the last step of this checking the sari. This is completed. Okay, you can see this is completed now, and these are the two more sari which is completed here. You can see both are in Tassar Monga. Okay, this is the last sari which is completed now. So this is for today's video. Also you can see this is soft silk sari which is in dobi work. Okay, you can see here, this is not like dobi work is not looking okay. After dyeing the shade of dobi, it is little over. Okay, so if you like this video, then please subscribe and follow our page. Thanks for watching. Bye bye, take care, have a good day. So also please subscribe and support your brother. Okay sister, thank you so much. Bye bye.